Rupee falling against US dollar. The Indian rupee has been battling and facing turmoil against the dollar since more than 2 decades now. Despite the changing monetary rules and policies, the Indian currency has been facing a downfall when compared to the dollar. The current rupee value against US dollar change every day due to various reasons that affect our economy. The debate of USD versus Indian rupee is never ending despite all the changes they try to make in the financial issue to their country. This issue is becoming problematic for all the people who go on regular forex transaction for their travel purpose. If you are among those who frequently use forex online for your travels, it is essential to know the reasons for the rupee falling. Reasons why the Indian rupee falling against the US dollar. Number 1, global economic slowdown. The global economic slowdown is one major factor contributing the both the stock market and the Indian currency fall. The Indian rupee falling due to slowdown and it has been unable to regain its value. Hence, the conversion from USD to INR always makes for a loss. The rupee value against US dollar has always been disappointment due to the global economic slowdown, causing abrupt losses to some of the businessmen. Number 2, crude oil price. The decision by the Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Country, also known as OPEC, to reduce production and the decision taken by Persian Gulf nation to double the price of crude oil lead India to borrow foreign currency. India had to borrow foreign currency that leads to another reason why is rupee falling in spite of being one of the strongest financial in the world. India falls in short of effective plans that will show a difference in the country economic status. On the other hand, US takes a very smart plan to cope with the current business strategies, hence taking over the entire world. USD to INR is a never-ending debate that causes caution among the public. The value of USD to INR has been on high since the last decade until change has been brought in the systems. The rupee value against US dollar will continue to go downslide. India trade with China fall in 2020. Two-way trade in 2020 reached $87.6 billion, down by 5.6% according to new figure from China General Administration of Custom. India imports from China accounted from $66.7 billion, declined by 10.8% year on year. The decline in export to India bucked the trend of a strong year for Chinese exports, which surged 10.9% in December and grew 4% in 2020, aided by the economic recovery in China, while many countries remained in various states of lockdown. Number 4, the difference in interest rate. The way the Indian economic works in very different from US economy. The gross fiscal deficit spiked from 9% of GDP in 1980 to 81 to 10.8% in 1985 to 86, which went on to increase up 12.7% in 1990 to 1991. These deficits faced by the GDP were balanced by borrowing foreign currency that led drying of the foreign exchange reserve, another event that led to a drop in the value of the rupee falling. The interest rate set by the RBI against the fixed US Indian currency has led to a lot of attrition for companies who are globally present. Even those countries that import a lot of resources from emerging markets were also affected by this. Due to this difference in interest rate, converting foreign exchange from USD to INR goes in red.